Hi, my name is Johannes Marke. I'm a Scrum Master at Deutsche Bank's Digital Factory. What I'm going to talk to you about is my experience in leading an agile change process in a corporate environment. A common first step is to enable teams to adopt agile development methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. And already this is not easy when you work in an environment with a high focus on policies and controls. But to really unlock the potential of agile, we need to tackle many more routines of corporate culture. How can we raise empowerment of teams and individuals while at the same time ensuring regulatory compliance? How will it change management roles if your teams start to self-organize? I'm really passionate about this topic because I sincerely believe that keeping the top-down management style of the 90s has become a substantial risk for many companies around the globe. The volatility and complexity of our business environment increases dramatically year by year, and this is why we need to adapt. Having worked in this field throughout the last 4 years, I will share some of my learnings about helpful principles, necessary trade-offs and impasses that we encountered along the way. Thank you so much.